Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Rivière-à-Claude is a small community on the north shore of the Gaspé Peninsula in Quebec. It is part of the Haute-Gaspésie region and sits between the Gulf of St. Lawrence and the Chic-Choc Mountains. The community is built around the Rivière-à-Claude, a short river that flows north from the mountains to the Gulf. The area was settled mainly during the 19th century. Like other communities on the north shore of the Gaspé Peninsula, Rivière-à-Claude developed around the natural resources available nearby. Fishing in the Gulf of St. Lawrence provided food and income, while the forest supplied timber and supported logging. Fishing was especially important during the early years. Cod and other species from the Gulf supported families throughout the region. Small fishing operations were closely tied to the coastal economy, and fish were often processed locally before being shipped to larger markets. Over time, fishing became less dominant, but it remains part of the region's identity and economy. Forestry became another major source of employment. The mountains behind Rivière-à-Claude contain extensive forests, and logging has been an important activity for generations. Today, forestry-related jobs include logging, transportation, equipment operation, and other services connected to the forest industry. The local economy is now more diversified. Because Rivière-à-Claude is small, some residents travel to nearby communities such as Sainte-Anne-des-Monts for employment, shopping, and specialized services. Seasonal work is also important. The community is surrounded by a landscape that attracts outdoor enthusiasts. The Chic-Choc Mountains provide opportunities for hiking, hunting, fishing, snowmobiling, and other outdoor activities. The nearby Gulf of St. Lawrence adds another important part of the landscape, giving Rivière-à-Claude the combination of mountains and ocean that defines much of the northern Gaspé coast. Rivière-à-Claude has also been affected by the major changes that have taken place across rural Gaspésie. Better roads and transportation opened the region to larger markets, while improved services made it easier for residents to travel to regional centers. At the same time, the decline of traditional fishing and forestry jobs and the movement of younger people toward larger communities contributed to population loss. The community's location along the coast also places it on the route between larger centers such as Sainte-Anne-des-Monts and Mont-Saint-Pierre. This has helped maintain a connection with the rest of the region despite the small population. Residents have access to the wider network of services and employment found along the Gaspé coast. Today, Rivière-à-Claude remains a very small community, but it reflects the history of the northern Gaspé Peninsula. Fishing established the early coastal economy, forestry became an important source of work, and modern employment now includes a wider mix of industries and services. The surrounding mountains, river valley, and Gulf of St. Lawrence continue to define the character of the area. Thanks for watching!